In front of me is NUBIA Red Magic 8S Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can operate split screen view. Begin by selecting one of your apps that you wish to use at the top half of your screen. Then open it in the background. To do that with Tricky's navigation, use this square button. Now select this icon of two rectangles at the top right corner of your app and click on the second one. As you can see, now I can use both at the same time. If you wish to go back from this mode, drag one of your apps all the way up or all the way down and click on Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!